Hello team, today we'll discuss about auto copy functionality in the Oracle Fusion. So how we can copy the journals in the Oracle Fusion. Let me show you that in the system. So before that, I just want to be give some brief about the auto copy. So basically in the Oracle Fusion Cloud General Ledger application, like auto copy refers to the system generated duplication of an existing journal entry or like the batch, into a new one. When you perform a copy action on a journal, Oracle makes the source of the new journal as auto copy instead of manual or spreadsheet. And I can say that the auto copy functionality, which is like, in the Oracle Fusion, when you copy an existing journal batch, the system marks the source of the new journal as auto copy instead of the manual. This copied batch behaves like a fresh journal entry. You can adjust dates, descriptions, and account lines, then save up, then save like approve and post it normally. So the purpose of auto copy is that what exactly the why we are going to use this functionality in the Oracle Fusion is that time saving and accuracy, and also like consistency and so I can say that when it comes to the time saving, when I'm talking about that, eliminates the repetitive manual entry for recurring or similar journal entries. And when it comes to the accuracy, so which is like, reduces the chance of mistakes compared to the manually retyping accounts and descriptions and amounts. When it comes to the consistency, it maintains the uniform formatting, narration, and like structure for the similar transactions. So and also how we can use the autocopy source for how it will be work in the autocopy source is that so when you copy a journal, the source field changes to autocopy in the new journal header, and the journal batch ID is different, even though lines are indicated to the source unless modified. Like all the lines, accounts, descriptions, and amounts are brought over from the original. You can change the dates, edit the amounts, and add and remove the lines, and update kind of descriptions. And approval workflow can be configured to treat like autocopy journals differently that than manual journals. What are the methods of autocopy is that there could be kind of like two methods, which is a manual autocopy or copy action, we can call it as, and there could be one more batch autocopy, which is like we can call it as copy journals request. So so how the system behavior and rules when you applying this into the system is like, we can the target accounting period must be open or like a future enabled. When it comes to the approval logic, it should be depending on your approval workflow configuration. Autocopy journals may it require the fresh approval or like a skip approval if they exactly match an already approved templates. And also the common business uses in the what are the common business uses for this autocopy is that, so it is like kind of recurring monthly accruals. For example, like occurring utilities expense with the same account distribution every month, and a reversal with modifications. I can say that copy a prior month's journal and change signs or amounts and post it as a new entry. And template based adjustments, which is like, use the prior journal as a baseline for similar adjustments across the periods. And there could be like year end adjustments, duplicating and modifying adjusting entries for different entities. So what are the uses, what are the advantages by using this auto copy is that, so we can saves the time and improves the efficiency, and reduces the human error, and also suppose the standardization and transparent audit trial with the auto copy as a source. The when it comes to like discuss about the limitations, does not automatically schedule recurring entries, so it still require manual posting unless integrated into any automated process. And I can say that invalid accounts or closed periods in the copied journal will still trigger validation errors. So these are all about the auto copy journals. Now I can show you like how we can create the auto copy journals in the Oracle Fusion. So let me open the Fusion applications. So I'm just trying to log in with my credentials. Just click on the sign in button. You can see this page, we can call it as the home page. So if you click on the right button here, you can see general accounting. Once you click on the general accounting, you can see three tabs here. One is like general accounting dashboard, journals, and period close. You can click on the journals. Once you click on the journals, you can see like this, and there is a tab task. If you click on the task, this is the manage journals. If you click on the manage journals, see here you can see accounting period as current month, which is August 25. So if you click on if you give the August 25, and if you click on the search button, whatever the transaction, whatever the journals is created in the current period, you can see that. So that's what I'm just checking the what are the existing journals I've created for this month. So for that, I just clicking on the search button. So these are all journals have been created earlier. So let me take any existing journals. Just I'm clicking here the first journal. So if you click on the journal, you can see the journal page will be displayed like the batch and the journal header level and line level. All the information you can see here. So to copy this journal, so basically you can see here the two lines are entered, but usually like as per the requirement, business requirement, like hopefully we can enter n number of journals here, maybe thousands of journals here. So for example, like I just want to be save this complete journal as it is like in so with the same data. So how we can do that in the system is like in the Oracle Fusion is that just if you see here there is a button name called batch actions. If you click on here, you can see the copy option here. Just you have to click the copy. Once you click there, like you can able to see the create journal page. So I'm just changing my journal batch name as RK batch, but I'm putting the same. I'm taking the same information for accounting period as like I mentioned as August 25, and also accounting date as 10th August. I'm taking the same data, but my requirement is like I just want to change the journal batch name, and I just want to be create the journal in the same August 25th only. This accounting period and this date accounting date 10th August. So I'm just clicking on the click OK. I'm just clicking on the OK button. Just a second, let me copy. Okay, patch. Oh, it's already created with the RK patch. Just I'm giving the naming convention as RK patch test. So the journal, see, you can see the journal batch name as RK batch test. So automatically whatever there in the existing journal, that data will be displayed here. So you can see the source name here as like auto copy. So earlier, like basically the source name will be displayed kind of in like whatever the way you have entered the journals, which is like there could be journal, there could be some other journals like managed journals and like which is manual journals and spreadsheet journals, and also like auto copy journals. When you do the manual journals, the source is like manual, and when you do the kind of spreadsheet journals, the source would be like in a spreadsheet. When you do the copy of journals, the source will be displayed like auto copy. So you can see the source as auto copy. So whatever the changes accordingly you want to do here. And again, like once you the batch status is now it is showing as unposted, and the completion status is incomplete. Once you save this journals and complete, click on complete and click on post button, the status would be changed here, and also completion status also will be changed. So let me save this journal and click on complete. So once completed, the status is completed, and still the batch is like unposted way. If you click on the post button, see the this process has been generated like you can see the process name in the schedule process, whether it could be the process is succeeded, or like if you are really getting any kind of errors, you can find out over there in the tools schedule process. But just as of now, you can see here the batch name has changed as selected for posting. And so this is the way, like we can create the journals in the like auto copy functionality. By using auto copy functionality, the journal batch is created, and all the relevant data which are like this is, I am expecting the same data with this journal name, so I have just created the auto copy journal. This is the way we can create the auto copy journals in the Oracle Fusion actually. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time.